Good morning guys. Good morning Philippines. Guys, bago tayo mag-report guys sa kampo guys, mag-barley muna tayo guys. SBG, Salvio Barley Grass. Kasi panggabi ang duty natin guys. Pang malakasan muna tayo guys. Timpla na tayo guys ng isang baso guys. Isang baso lang guys. Tapos isang kutsarita guys. Ayan. Pang malakasan muna tayo ngayon guys. Ayan. Isang baso lang guys. Tsaka malamig na tubig. Ayan guys. Ayan. Isang baso lang guys. Salvio Barley Grass Juice. Ayan guys oh. Guys, green na green yan guys. Ayan oh, green na green. 100% organic. Ayan guys oh. Road to 100 years. 100% organic Salvio Barley Grass. Ayan guys. Inom na tayo guys. Bago tayo mag-report ng kampo guys. Ayan. Ayan. Halo-haloin natin maigi guys. Para mahalo talaga ng todo yung powder guys. Ayan guys. Green na green yan guys. Ayan. Haloin natin maigi. Ayan guys. So, green na green yan guys. Salvio Barley Grass guys. Ayan o. Organic 100%. Ayan guys. 100% organic. Ayan, green na green guys oh. Ayan oh. Ito yung Salvio Barley Grass Super Brands in the Philippines. Yan guys oh. At saka awarded din siya ng The Legacy Awards. Yan, 2023 yan guys, awarded. Yan, Salvio Barley Grass guys. Yan guys oh. Okay guys. Halong-halo na yan siya guys. Okay. Let's drink guys. Good morning everyone. Sarap guys. Napakasarap guys sa malamig na tubig guys. Masarap guys, masarap. Maganda sa katawan. Yan. Thank you so much guys. Thank you. Thank you sa SBG. Salvio Barley Grass. Yan guys. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. Please support lang guys. Support lang. Thank you very much. Good morning Philippines. Thank you. And guys, saging guys. Gusto nyo saging? And guys. Thank you so much guys. Thank you.